Morning guys! I have just finished my 30-day gut health challenge with Meluka, so I thought let's chat through some of my results and how my overall experience was. So basically it is a 3-step process to fully kickstart your gut health journey. You take 1 scoop of each of these powders every single day for 30 days, and that is like a full reset of your gut health, which is absolutely amazing. So clean supports metabolic health and also digestive well-being. Seal helps to alleviate digestive inflammation such as bloating and gas and all that yucky stuff that makes us feel really uncomfortable. And Care helps us to absorb nutrients for overall well-being and also for improved energy. So basically it's a triple action prebiotic, probiotic and postbiotic blend. They have at least 21 billion CFUs per serve, which is absolutely incredible, and it's all functional superfoods for digestive well-being. It has a mild flavor, it's easy to enjoy with food or drinks, no artificial flavors or colors, and it's gluten and dairy free. For me personally, I've seen a huge improvement in my energy levels and quality of sleep, and I also feel so much less bloated after I eat, which is fabulous. I don't feel uncomfortable or just really like lethargic and heavy. So if you're looking for ways to improve your overall gut health, reduce bloating, or just have more energy, I would definitely recommend checking out Meluka. It has been such a game changer for me.